we are! We are stable! We're so stable! Oh my god!
What's happening?
Abort!
I didn't abort.
Aborted, 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 Do you see me? I have my own personal escape rocket!
No, you don't. You lied to me.
Okay, let's try that again.
Why did it lag so hard then?
Because I'm respawning the helicopter.
Oh.
Get in!
Okay.
Don't touch anything besides the passenger seat.
Okay. Getting in. I'm getting in! Jeez.
Okay. We're gonna take this plane. We're gonna take this plane and this plane. We're taking the helicopter to the city.
I fell out. The seat.
What do you?
The seat fell out. Fell out. Fell out. Fell out. Fell out.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh, no wonder I can't control it! You're breaking everything!
What do you mean?
Don't touch any buttons, because if you detonate something, it's gonna make the weight of the plane uneven.
I didn't touch anything, man.
Are you in the plane?
What? What the f?
Be prepared for takeoff!
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1!
Carson? Are you okay?
No! We have liftoff! On the way! We have liftoff! I have to gain altitude first before I even start going towards the city.
Well, why aren't
That's
you
what my
going to
problem
it?
has been. They are on my screen.
Well, just go.
Okay. I just gotta press it. Oh god. The weight on in the mass is uneven!
You gotta get out, you're too fat!
Oh, no wonder I can't control it, you. This is such a hard plane to fly. Oh god! Oh no! See, we landed, and we're not even. Get in. Look, get in. We're good. Now let's have a war.
How did that not kill you?
You missed.
Waiting for your mark, repeat.
Okay.
Package waiting for your mark.
We have to stay inside of the city. Any vehicles are allowed besides Trinity tanks.
Why not tanks? Tanks are the funnest, dude.
No. You'll see.
Uh-oh. just do?
And no God mode. And no God mode.
Allahu Akbar.
It basically means you can't die.
I know what it means. Hey, you look.
No, this isn't a Trinity. It's not even close to the level of skill. Oh my god, did you just nuke my arm? Oh, this isn't nice! What you doing is bullying! You destroyed it!
Alright, that's it for this episode of making a kid that triggered on, I don't even know, brick rigs. So, make sure to like and subscribe if you liked this kid getting super salty for no reason. Alright, goodbye.